Rip it.
I can do it.
You can do it.
Oh, you can do it.
Just tear it.
You can do it.
Oh, that's the M-A-N-N-Y.
Oh crap.
Oh well, it's okay. Open it.
Open it.
Yeah.
Either.
Oh,
You gotta open it. Cool.
Oh, look at that.
Handy Manny.
What tool should we use if we need to during a filler head screw?
Oh. Son has
Hola.
There's a button up there.
My name is Manny.
You like it?
really?
Yeah.
Manny, look at all
I
those
was wondering what you meant by
The tools?
M-A-N-N-Y.
Here, let's open it.
You can help Dad. Daddy. Be a
It's cool, like
carpenter.
when he'll ask like what tool he needs, and then it'll recognize which one it is and tell you if it's the right one or not.
Oh my gosh. Want some scissors?
Probably.
Ooh, look at that. Boy, Isaac. Can I have that? No, I
Not
want
bad,
that
you
toy.
can have the instructions.
Isaac, say Merry Christmas. Say heck no, I got a toy.
I will put it really.
Oh.